Fairies are more and more coming into your world. Mm-hmm. And they are adapting more and more. Mm-hmm. Say, oh, this is what humans look like. Okay, we can do that. Mm-hmm. We can shrink down our ears. We can, change it and look very human. We can look very. They can't quite pull it off, but they can come close. You can always tell a fairy by their eyes, and also, well, there's certain other ways in terms of the eyes. Always, they aren't golden necessarily, but their eyes have a quality, a sharpness, a piercing quality to them that is captivating. Mm-hmm. And we would suggest here they are different in their capacity of touch. Mm. They will touch. They will touch. Sometimes you won't even realize they're touching you, but they will touch. In the recent trip that the channel took in India, they were with friends at a hotel. They decided to walk to the market. That was a market across the way. Mm-hmm. And so they went out walking, and all of a sudden the cab pulled up. Now, it's not a cab like you have in the States. It's like open on the sides and more like a fancy motorcycle with 3 wheels or whatever. This cab pulled up, and this little guy jumped out and reached up and stroked the channel's beard and said, "I like your beard," and pointed to his own. Mm-hmm. And his eyes were just dark but on fire, beautiful. Only $1, only $1, only $1. I'll take you, where do you want to go? Only $1. No, we want to walk. Oh, it's too dangerous to walk. Too dangerous to walk. Only $1, only $1. Where do you want to go? No, we want to walk. We want to. Okay. They walked a block away. Shows up again. Jumps out. Only $1. Where do you want to go? Only $1. Where do you want to go? We want to walk. Oh, it's too dangerous. Too much traffic. Too much traffic. Yeah, crossed the road. In that sense, they did cross the road, walked into an area. Where do you want to go? He stopped again. Where did he come from? Walked around, realized, no, there wasn't anything they wanted to do. Let's go back to the hotel, but let's take a cab. Boom, there he was. You ready to go back now? Took them back. It was Faerie, absolutely Faerie. In terms of, again, the touch that had to be there, how quote, aggressive in that sensing, for someone to jump out of a car and just reach out and touch your face, etc. Comment on your beard, where you're from. I got a brother in the States, etc. All the, but just showing up out of nowhere. He had to go 5 or 6 blocks to get to right where we were, right where they were. And in that sense, yes, more and more looking human in that sensing and reaching out and working with you.